Hello. We're going to be at the regular place that we record. Because this is going to be a little hard to show this because it's a little tight in there. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that in case you were wondering. Hello. Welcome back to another journal showcase. This time I'm going to show the inside of the first journal. Okay? Here's the first one. It might be very hard to see because it's written in pencil and it fades a lot. Anyway, I just wrote a world, and I wrote some boundaries, and I just saw what happened. You know, I do this when I'm bored sometimes. Here's just some information I wrote. Here are some notes I took from school about different bodies of water or different, things. Oh yeah, this is also, this is just some things I wrote down because I was thinking about pollution that day. And this is just some kind of solar system map. Yeah, and this is some information about it, talking about the planet. Planet 1, 60 days per year, 4 years, 170 days, so on. And this is me writing about how a nuclear power plant works. And this is me writing about how other power plants work. You see? Fossil fuel, geothermal, windmill, so on. And this is just talking about this thing over here. This thing is another one of those things. As you can see, it's a cool little world that I created. And then I wrote some information about it. Anyway, it's really cool. And this is another one. I do a lot of these. They're really fun. And this is me writing about globes and map shapes. Oh yeah, and I started right here, but then I kind of got bored of it. That happens sometimes. And then this is an attack power guide. I remember this thing. You could just take a look at it, if you could even see. And then here's the advanced version. And here's part 2. Because I didn't have enough room. And this is just a graph I wrote, and I started writing some stuff down. Again, I do that sometimes. I kind of don't do that anymore now, though. And then here's some more of that. Here's just information, whatever. I don't know. It says Rocket Project. I don't know what this is. I also don't know what this is. It talks about market, whatever. Okay, this talks about fossil fuel power plant. Okay, I was getting into this, but I stopped for some reason. Another thing, I kind of left some things empty. I don't know why. Oh yeah, this is talking about gold right here. It's talking about silver. It's talking about iron, so it just talks about iron at a different cost. And this is all the other ores. I remember making this. It was so frustrating. And this is a continued of the other ore. And this is stones. I was about to get started, but I didn't. Oh yeah, this is just me recording down the plant on a Mac. on Plants vs. Zombies. And then here it continues. Oh yeah, this also talks about Plants vs. Zombies. I was gonna write the zombie almanac, but I just didn't for some reason. And an empty page. Okay. And this is talking about the human body and the largest diamond in the universe. This is some cool structures that I wrote. Here is something else. And this is again about ore. I remember back then when I wrote so much about ore. This is again about ore. This is about gemstones and crystals. This is about chemicals. But yeah, by the way, these are just talking about costs, weights, and all that. Stones and liquids. And these are statistics. Okay, and that's just a random note. That's probably a seed I had to write. Anyway, look, it's another one of these. It's just another one of these. Another cool world. I think I should leave it on that, in this cool world. Okay? The Crazy Brother will see you in the next video.